I had a friend who's done a bunch of different approaches, and he was awful at approaching women, like honestly awful. I watched him in play on numerous occasions, and he would literally scare girls with his approach. Like, he'd approach them head on the street and like jump in their way, like, hey, that's definitely not the way to be approaching a woman. And I tell you, if you want to actually pick up the best women, because two of my boys are some of the best pickup guys that I know, and they're not actually pickup artists. They don't try and be pickup artists. They're just like that by nature. And so I've learned from these guys over the past 10 years. And the way they do it is so much smoother and so much slicker. They're not walking up to people on the street. Well, they are walking up to people on the street, but they're not jumping in their way, right? You don't jump in someone's way. You're supposed to approach someone smoothly and softly, like James Bond. So for example, I'm at this pool here today at the Address building, Address Skyview, right? Lovely little pool Sunday with my friends and their kids. Beautiful place. We've got the Burj Dubai here just behind us. As you can see, the tallest building in the world so far. And I actually approached the girl while I was here, and I just walked over with a nice smile, and I walked over slowly. I didn't walk over too fast. I didn't walk over in a rush. I walked over nice and slowly, and I gave her a smile, and I was like, hey, how's your day going? And that's all I needed to do. It's actually a lot simpler than you think it is. People make this sound so much more complicated. Like a lot of the pickup artists growing up and that I've heard about. And again, I will repeat, I am not a pickup artist, and I will never want to be defined as one, because it's an extremely cheesy way to be defined. And those guys are a bit goofy and a bit dorky and get too into the details about how to pick up girls. Whereas the best are actually the naturals, right? The naturals are the best at this, because the two guys I know who pick up the most girls and who don't even have an Instagram account. I mean, they do, but they've got like one picture and they don't post much, and they're not trying to raise their level of status. They are just working on relying on their chat, their game, and kind of how smooth they are with their approach. So you basically walk up to a girl by the pool, and it's not just today. I've done this multiple times. The best girls I've usually picked up are in the summer, are by the pool. It is helpful that I've also got a good body. I'll be honest, that is helpful, because that's a nice, attractive beginning. You know, she's like, oh, hello, he's got a nice body. So you're not going to get completely rejected unless you're a dick about your approach. So as you approach, you just smile, you walk slowly, and be like, hi, I just wanted to come over and introduce myself. I'm Ralph. How's your day going? You having a good time? That's literally all you have to do, and then suddenly it'll open up a conversation. Now, you might want to have a couple of key things to start off by saying, because some of you are not very good socially, some of you are not extroverted, so you won't really know how to carry on the conversation smoothly like I will. But if you walk over and you say something like, hi, you know, how's your day going? Hope you're going well. I noticed this book you're reading. What are you reading? Talk about something in the surroundings. Talk about something in the settings. You know, be like, oh, I just thought your bikini was very stylish. Are you in fashion by any chance? Just something like that. And even if she knows that you've come up with a particular line, she'll still think it's cute and quite funny and quite goofy, and she will talk to you, right? So as long as you're actually smooth with your approach, and you're not creepy, and you're not weird, and you're not like jumping in her way, and you're not like too aggressive, okay? The key is, do not be aggressive with your approach. Don't be aggressive. Don't come over like an aggressive, masculine madman, right? Come over like James Bond, walking very smoothly, confident in yourself. You've got a good body, and you just come over to just see how she's doing. You're also outcome independent, okay? It doesn't matter if you don't get her phone number. It doesn't matter if she doesn't like you. It doesn't matter if she rejects you. If she rejects you, it looks kind of bad around the pool if you try and approach someone else, because then at that point, other people know that you're like this guy that's approaching girls by the pool. So it doesn't look too good. So you want to make sure the primary thing in an environment, in a closed environment, is that you do not get rejected, because then it looks bad on the rest of the group, on the rest of the crowd, who are all watching you, by the way, right? If I'm approaching a girl by the pool, I can guarantee you 80% of people by that pool are like, whoa, what's he doing? Whoa, he's approaching, you know, because it's fun. People want to see that kind of stuff, because people want to watch things that are hard to do, that they would never try themselves. So it does take a big pair of balls, but just remember, try and be smooth, approach slowly and softly, and don't be so overcomplicated with your approach. You know, just come up with something super simple. Hi there, I noticed you from across the pool. I thought your bikini looked really cool. I was wondering if you're in fashion, because I got a friend in fashion and she always shows me these wonderful bikinis, and you'd really fit into her brand really well. That is such a great line. I just literally came up with that off the top of my head, but it's a bit easier for me because I'm quite used to it and I'm like well trained and I've practiced this stuff for many years, and I'm also highly extroverted, right? So for some of the introverts that find it a bit more difficult to have conversations with people off the cuff, you might want to learn a line or two that you use on a few people in the same venue or in different venues whenever you go out. So anyway, that is my quick, 5 to 10 minute video on how you can approach better, how you can just be smoother, and how you can get a better response, right? And also be outcome independent. Don't dive in straight for the phone number straight away. Have a chat for a few minutes and then round it off, and make sure you do ask for the details. Be like, listen, I've had a really nice conversation with you. I'd love to carry this on. She might have a boyfriend, she might not, but you have to take your chances. If you want to learn more about how to approach, if you want to learn more about how to do this stuff and become an expert, then I advise you to get involved. Click the link in the description and sign up to my Calendly link, whereby I'm offering a very good price. Usually my time per hour is $1,000 per hour, right? When I give people investment advice, it's about $1,000 an hour. But to give you any approach advice, to help you with this stuff and to completely transform your life, just with an hour conversation with me, to give you the confidence and the tools that you require and that you need in order for you to be an approach king, or to just at least have the confidence to start doing it, right? The key for me is to just get you starting to do this stuff, because most dudes just don't know where to start and are actually too scared to start. So if you sign up to my consultancy, you'll spend an hour with me where I'll talk one-on-one with you, and I'll literally break down all the things you're good at and not good at, and then we can figure out an action plan for you, right? So the link is in the description in my Calendly link. I've just started doing this consulting after a year and a half of me posting it on YouTube. I wasn't trying to monetize immediately, but now I see most people are asking me for one-on-one advice. Okay, the courses don't seem to be as useful for you. Most people don't watch them. Most people actually want the one-on-one advice, right? They want me personally to spend my whole hour, my full presence on helping you become a better approach king like myself. Okay, I'm pretty fucking good at this. I'm one of the best in the world at approaching girls. I've been doing it for a long time. I'm pretty smooth at it, and my failure rate is very, very low. Right, but that doesn't mean that I haven't been rejected many times in my life. The rejections have taught me how to approach a woman. Be smooth, be calm, have a couple of lines that you would have known before. Ask for the number, walk slowly, don't speak fast, don't hesitate. And also, you also want to look the part. So you don't want to look like a bloody loser. You don't want to look like an absolute mess walking over to a girl and drunk and stumbling. Girls want smooth, James Bond style characters approaching them in any situation and any environment.